Corn has become the most planted grain in the world, and it has become a global commodity. The world market has forced the price of corn to reduce drastically. This has made the traditional methods of harvesting corn just economically not viable anymore. The way of harvesting corn has been industrialized beyond any other plant, really. So everyone in Mexico has been facing with is the dilemma of staying with the traditional methods or adopting agrochemical techniques to increase their yield by 2/3. So my project deals with disappearings of native Mexican corn and of the people that still harvest it with traditional methods. So my project is called Totomoxtle. Totomoxtle deals with the disappearings of native corn in Mexico and the people that are still struggling to harvest it with traditional methods. The project transforms corn leaves from native Mexican corn, which are naturally colorful, and it makes a surfacing veneer with applications for furniture and interiors and architecture. I realized that I had to do something that was linked to the grain, to the corn, to the native seeds, without really employing native seeds themselves. So the idea was to use the leaves, which normally go to waste, they get burned at the end of the season, or maybe used to make tamales, which is an equivalent of Mexican dumplings. But there's no real use of the leaves, so most of the leaves get burned or given to animals. And the idea was to create something with the power of design, increase its perceived value. This is, I think, where design comes in. I grew up in a relatively urban environment, but I had the chance of going to Tonahuixtla, the farmers that I collaborate are from. The project acquired its social aspect once I went back after about 5 years of not being there. And what I saw was devastating. That once very fertile land was now completely barren. That confrontation to the new social reality and the link that I saw between the dispossession of their ability to feed themselves and the fact that they were now completely dependent on products provided by these agrochemical companies was very, very heartbreaking, and it was a very big wake-up call of how this global trade can have a very devastating impact on a community that is trying to preserve its traditions.